Dear students, topic for today's session is Because I Could Not Stop for Death, written by Emily Dickinson. In the last session, you have studied about past tense. Learning objectives of this session is to help the students to understand the poem and the aspect of philosophical and spiritual elements through figurative language. The intended session outcomes are to show the effectiveness of figurative language in representing dynamics of language and concepts. Content for this session: pre-reading activity about the poet Emily Dickinson, about the poem, and the text will be recited. Activity and assignments are given. MCQs are asked. Reference. In pre-reading activity, I would like to ask you to describe any funeral event that you have witnessed in your life. ನೀವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಶವ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಣನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿ, ಚರ್ಚೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ. About the poet Emily Dickinson. She was born in 1830 and died in 1886. She was an American poet. She belonged to a Puritan and moralistic community. Puritan ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯಾನಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ವಯಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯಾನಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಎಂಬ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಥೋಲಿಸಿಸಮ್ನ ಎಂಬ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಉಟ್ಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿನ ಅದು ಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Her work, The Poems of Emily Dickinson, in 3 volumes, which is published in 1955 posthumously. The themes of major poetry are seasons and nature, problematic afterlife, ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾವಿನ ನಂತರ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಬಗೆಗಿನ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ಪನೆಗಳು, and kinds and phases of love and poetry as divine art. About the poem. The poem Because I Could Not Stop for Death was first published in 1862. It was posthumously republished under the title The Chariot. The subject matter of the poem is death. The speaker imagines death as a lover or shooter and travels in a carriage with him. Let me recite the poem Because I Could Not Stop for Death. Because I could not stop for death, he kindly stopped for me. The carriage held but just ourselves and immortality. We slowly drove, he knew no haste, and I had put away my labor and my leisure too for his civility. We passed the school where children strove at recess in the ring. We passed the fields of gazing grain. We passed the setting sun, or rather, he passed us. The dews drew quivering and chill, for only gossamer, my gown, my tippet, only tear. We passed before a house that seemed a swelling of the ground. The roof was scarcely visible, the cornice in the ground. Since then, it is centuries, and yet feels shorter than the day. I first surmised the associates were toward eternity. The activity for this session is form a group of 4 members and hold a discussion of the idea of death. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು, ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥನಿಗೆ, ಗೌತಮ ಬುದ್ಧನಿಗೆ ಸಾವಿನ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆಯೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಾವು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ತನ್ನ ಚಾರಿಯಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನನನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಚೆನ್ನ, ಸಾವು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಆಗ ಸಾವನ್ನು ಗೌತಮ ಬುದ್ಧನಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪೊಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸಾವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು, ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಥಾಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಾವ್ಯದ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕವಿತೆಯ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲಿಟರರಿ ಎಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್: collect the condolences expressed on the assassination of Gandhi and write an assignment analyzing those under the title Death of Gandhi. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಒಂದು ಹತ್ಯೆಯ ನಂತರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತವಾದಂತಹ ಕಂಡೋಲೆನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂಥ ಕಂಡೋಲೆನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ. MCQs. Question number 1. The poem Because I Could Not Stop for Death was published in A. 1861, B. 1862, C. 1863, D. 1864. The answer is 1862. Question number 2. The poem Because I Could Not Stop for Death was republished under the title A. The death. B. The immortality. C. The chariot. D. The cornice. The answer is the chariot. Question number 3. Because I Could Not Stop for Death is written by A. Emily Dickinson. B. Walt Whitman. C. Dilip Chitre. D. David Dio. The answer is Emily Dickinson. Question number 4. The poem Because I Could Not Stop for Death deals with the theme of A. Love. B. Friendship. C. Death. D. Relationship. The answer is death. Question number 5. The speaker imagines death as A. A lover. B. A friend. C. An enemy. D. An unknown. Answer is a lover. Reference. Thank you.